Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love and Deep Space. To begin your journey, you will first create your unique character, customizing their appearance to your liking. Next, you'll choose your initial male lead, setting the stage for your romantic adventures. Dive into the main story quests to explore the futuristic world and uncover its mysteries. The game seamlessly blends thrilling combat with engaging dating simulations, offering a rich and immersive experience from the very start. The core gameplay involves exciting real-time combat where you utilize your evolved abilities. To strengthen your character, you'll collect powerful memory cards through the game's gacha system. Each memory card features stunning artwork and unique skills. You can equip up to 3 memory cards to form a strategic team, boosting your combat effectiveness and helping you overcome challenging encounters. Mastering these mechanics is key to progressing through the game's many levels. Building deep relationships with the male leads is central to Love and Deep Space. You can interact with them through a variety of engaging activities, including romantic dates, heartfelt phone calls, and charming text messages. Each interaction helps to increase your intimacy level, unlocking exclusive story content and special, memorable moments. There are often multiple dialogue choices, allowing you to shape the narrative and truly personalize your romantic journey with each character. To advance effectively, focus on completing daily missions and challenges to earn valuable experience points and upgrade materials. These resources are crucial for leveling up your memory cards, enhancing their power, and unlocking new abilities. You'll also use them to boost your character's overall stats, making you stronger in combat. Don't forget to participate in limited-time events, as they offer unique rewards and rare items that can significantly aid your progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.